Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to block YouTube channels in 2025. So, if you want to stop certain YouTube channels from appearing in your feed or block them from commenting on your videos, in this full guide, I will show you how to block YouTube channels in 2025 easily. Let's dive in. So method 1 is blocking a channel from your feed. Open YouTube application, make sure that your YouTube is updated to the latest version. Then, after opening the YouTube channel, you will see the home page. Here, you will see different videos appearing. Just navigate to the video or the channel that you want to block. Click on the three-dotted icon just at the bottom right of that video. Then you can click on Don't Recommend Channel. And this will instantly stop showing their videos in your YouTube feed. Now, this prevents their content from appearing, but they can still comment on your videos. Method 2 is blocking a channel from commenting on your videos. So, you'll have to just go to the YouTube channel you want to block. So, simply click on the icon for that channel. Now, click on the three-dotted icon at the top right side of the screen, that is More Options. Now, you will see an option saying Hide User from my channel. Click on Hide User from my channel. And it says hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. Click on hide user again and this prevents their content from appearing. Now, this channel cannot comment on your videos. So after you click on hide user button, now this channel cannot comment on your videos anymore. And that's it. That's how you block YouTube channels in 2025 on your mobile phone. If this video helped, like and subscribe and comment below for more tutorials. See you in the next video.